Welcome back. We're going to take a quick look at Tron coming in at number 16. What's up, Justin-san? For Tron against BTC, we are above the skinny pink line. Ooh, this means that potentially we could remain bullish for Tron against BTC. One thing very good to note about Tron is that we did not really collapse during the bear season, right? So we actually rose during bear season ever since January 2021 all the way to where we are today. Tron has been in an uptrend. Right, so it's not really that clear, but we didn't collapse, and even when we fell, it was a very controlled fall. So this whole thing could be a 1, we came down for a 2, we could be in the midst of a very big 3. Ta-da! Yeah, there could be a big 3 coming on for Tron against BTC, and then we get a 4 of sorts, and after that we get a 5. Do you see that? Do you see that? We could already be bullish for Tron against BTC, because from where the bottom is to where the tall is over here, this is a 376% move, and we are above the skinny pink line. So the possibility remains that we could continue on our bullish trend. This whole thing could turn into a inverse head and shoulders, which could propel us even higher, right? But you know, I would prefer this to be up here, to be part of the right shoulder rather than to be somewhere in the middle. So yeah, in terms of a tradability, I don't see any clear tradable chart patterns for Tron against BTC. Tron against USDT, we still have 3 targets towards the downside. I don't know if you're gonna go that low. If you look at Tron against USD, right? If you look at CoinMarketCap, this whole thing could be a gigantic A, right? And then we go for a B, we come down for a C, right? So that's why we drew a line across, because this is a descending triangle. This is a descending triangle. Could this descending triangle start turning bullish? Of course, but descending triangles are bearish chart patterns, and this was a sudden move that came for Tron. So I would consider this as largely irrelevant. I mean, of course, I could be wrong, and this could be relevant, but based on what I see, I don't think so. I mean, of course, we could also draw a horizontal line across, right? And this is still a descending triangle, and we could still be on course for a wave C. You see that? You see what I'm talking about, right? A, B, C, D, E, boom, right? The possibility is that, yeah, more likely than not, the direction is down. The only question is, if we were to drop, where are the targets? Are we going to hit only 1? Are we going to hit 1 and 2? Are we going to hit 1, 2, and 3 all the way to 0.015, right? 1.5 cents? Yes? I don't know. We'll have to see. But this is a very, very bearish chart pattern, high quality bearish chart pattern. So if anything, I will be anticipating more down. So of course I could be wrong, you know. But yeah, stereotypes. This is the stereotypical move for a descending triangle. Of course, outliers exist, but this is the stereotypical move. You got it. All right. Yeah. So stay safe. You know, don't simply rush into anything. We need to see things start. Okay. How would I know? How would we know that this bearishness is largely invalidated? If we take out the highs over here, which means that if Tron goes past 10 cents, then yes, potentially it is gone. Which means that this whole thing could be a, I don't know. This whole thing could, yeah, turn into a very big, gigantic consolidation, right? Something like that. We could, but again, it would be an outlier move if that happened. So you were expecting a stereotypical move for Tron. So yeah, we're still buyers bearish. We're still under the skinny pink line though. So until we really truly break back up and we stay above it, then we shall still continue our bias, our bearish bias, right? See you in the next video. We're going to be taking a look at Avalanche. All right, see you. Bye-bye.